The U.S. Marine Corps has strategically deployed MQ-9A Reaper drones to the South China Sea, reinforcing Philippine forces amidst escalating tensions with Chinese vessels. This move underscores the U.S.'s commitment to regional security and highlights the increasing importance of unmanned aerial systems in modern military operations. In a significant development for European defense, the U.S. has approved a $3.2 billion missile sale to Germany. This deal will enhance Germany's maritime air defense capabilities, particularly with the integration of these missiles into the new F-127 class frigates. Such transactions are pivotal in strengthening NATO allies' defense postures. The Pentagon has announced nearly $9 billion in new contracts, a substantial portion of which is allocated to AeroVironment for drone technologies and Boeing for Chinook helicopters. This announcement reflects the robust demand for advanced military hardware and the strategic emphasis on expanding aerial capabilities. The U.S. Air Force has awarded contracts to Skydio to expand the use of autonomous drones across mission-critical units. This initiative is part of a broader trend towards integrating advanced autonomy in defense operations, showcasing the military's commitment to leveraging cutting-edge technology for operational superiority. Saudi Arabia's potential acquisition of 48 F-35 jets is under scrutiny due to concerns over Chinese espionage. This situation highlights the geopolitical complexities surrounding arms sales and the strategic balancing act required in U.S.-Saudi defense relations. Turning to the markets, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw its stock rise by 1.09% to $174.01, buoyed by strong sector momentum following the Pentagon's announcement of substantial defense contracts. The company's data analytics platforms are increasingly integral to defense operations, positioning it well for future growth. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a 1.45% decline to $291.21 despite securing a significant portion of the Pentagon's contracts. The market's cautious response may reflect concerns over execution risks associated with scaling up production to meet new demand. Amphenol Corporation, ticker symbol APH, dipped 1.12% to $133.74. The company's indirect exposure to the missile sales to Germany could present future opportunities, though current market sentiment remains cautious as investors assess the broader implications of defense spending shifts. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, gained 1.06% to $72.45. The company's involvement in expanding drone autonomy contracts with the U.S. Air Force underscores its strategic positioning in the growing unmanned systems market, driving investor confidence. General Dynamics, ticker symbol GD, edged up 0.06% to $344.25 after securing a $1.7 billion contract for 2 John Lewis-class replenishment oilers. This contract not only enhances its shipbuilding portfolio, but also solidifies its role in supporting U.S. naval operations. For investors, today's actionable takeaways: 1. Monitor AeroVironment's contract execution for potential growth. 2. Watch Palantir's role in defense data analytics expansion. 3. Follow Germany's missile integration for defense sector impacts.